Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to swatch my Nomad singles and then create a look. I have 4 of the Nomad singles. They come packaged in this little packet, and then the shade is like this, and the name is on the back. So I open and I take it out. It's all magnetic. So these are the packaging. The name is on the back. The name of this one is Def. And I will swatch it before I use it. This is a matte color. Wow. It is pigmented, very pigmented. Def will go right here. Shade name, color. This feels really good. Take a look. This is the shade, and we will swatch next to Def, and this shade is called Comedy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love. Wow. So this is shade number 2, and see my hands? It's that pigmented. I still have it on. The third shade is called Tragedy, and it looks like it's like a purple with a black base, and it has a shift like a little pink in it. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it is pretty. Wow. OMG. This is cute. Now this is Tragedy. I am swatching. You see the shifting? Tragedy. It has a black base. It looks pink on one side. It has a little purple. See, here we go. This is very pretty. Tragedy is the name of that one. This shade is called Apple Picking. Very pretty. Red apple. It's called Apple Picking, but it's a red, and it is a matte. And we'll put Apple Picking right here. Swatch beautifully. It's red and it is pretty. We're going to create a look. We might use all 4. We don't know where we're going yet with this, but we're going to create a look. Princess Pan and Makeup, you had asked a question in the haul about these singles. They are beautiful. They just swatch nicely. Very, very nice. I have a new brush set. You know I like to use my fingers a lot, but I got me a new brush set. They were just too pretty to pass over, so I picked it up. I don't have any eye base on. 0 eye base. So we're just gonna go with that. No eye base. We are going to play with some makeup. The black is very pigmented, so be careful. I'm not sure what look I'm gonna create yet, but we're gonna create something. Let's create something beautiful. What I'm thankful for today is, I am thankful that I can be here to enjoy my family another blessed day on this beautiful green earth. Remember, I have no primer on, so I'm just putting this over. The only thing I have on my eyes is powder. The birds are singing. I am happy and thankful I can hear them. The simplest things, if we don't have it, we will soon realize how important it is. So in the meantime, we should be thankful for them. This is Nomad Cosmetics. I have to go a little higher some places on my eyes because my eyes are two different sizes. One is always puffier than the other, one is more hooded than the other. So, gotta work with it, gotta work with it. If you have eyes like that, don't be afraid to play with your makeup. Just have fun. That's all it is. Makeup is fun. You transform yourself into whoever you think you need to or whatever you're feeling for the day. And at the end of the day, wash it all off. I am powerful. I will continue to create what makes me happy. I am beautiful. I will continue to create what makes me happy. Okay, I have the black together. And let's see how together that is. The black is a matte. I'm going into the red, which is also a matte. I'm sticking it in the middle of my eyeballs right here. Like I say, I don't know what we're doing, so I'm just playing and having a little bit of fun with some makeup today. After all of this, I have to go vacuum, mop and dust because I did the laundry already. So that's what it's going to be. I'm gonna look sexy, cute, pretty to go do my housework. Do that too. Or do that and lay down and read a book. Sit down and watch TV. Be beautiful and sexy in your own way, honey. Do that. It brings you joy, go ahead and do it. I can guarantee you when I put a base with this will look really nice. But today we're just trying all the colors and then I'll try them again with a base. This is the red. And we are going into this color. I think it's called, I don't remember the name, I don't have glasses. I'm gonna go right over it right here with this. Don't know if it will stick because I don't have primer on, but so far it's looking pretty good. Primer or no primer, this is looking good. Back in the day we had no primer and we did our makeup and had some fun with it and put it on and go about our business. Now we have primer to help us keep it on a little longer. So we can use that, but I didn't use any of that today. I'm just trying this so I can have it on my eyes. I don't want it to wait and pass me by. I buy it, I want to try it. And then we'll play a little bit more with it again, you know? Remember I tell you I bought a brush set and then I use my fingers more than the brush, but that's how it is. It makes me happy. And that's all that matters. Your happiness, your joy. You know what I mean? This is looking really cute. I am liking loving it. So Princess Panna, see, this is what it looks like on my eyes. I'm just fixing, using the same brush with the red and just fixing it. But this is cute. This is really cute. And the brush with the black, just to smooth. I didn't put any more color on there. I'm just smoothing this thing over. This is the Nomad singles that I used. I used 3 out of the 4 shades, 1 shimmer, 2 matte, and I have 0 primer on. So this is it. This is the quick look that I did today, just to swatch them and try them to see what they feel like. There'll be more looks coming, so watch out. Share this video, like it, and again, be fabulous. Fabulous. Bye.